All right, we're here with another delightful moment with David Harper, and as we come in here, oh my, look at what he's up to today. What's David Harper up to today? Look at there he goes on this Friday afternoon. He's actually got some plank training going there, and my, there we, wow, Dave, that is an interesting piece of training. And top secret, I know. No comment. We're not going to ask too much because I know how you are with your top secret training things. Actually, for today's delightful scrumptious moment with David, we've got a question out from a Gifford Binary. No, that's Cliff Scott. My God, he must have been having some kind of epileptic fit when he wrote this. I've got Gifford Binary here, and it's Cliff Scott. That is, I'm not quite sure what's going on there. Anyway, his question today is one of quite a lot of interest because Gifford Binary, Cliff Scott, is questioning about steroids. Now, he's thinking about doing steroids. He's contemplating doing steroids. Just been training a little while, but he's not willing to make that jump just yet. He wants to boost his HGH levels, his IGF-1 factor levels, and his testosterone naturally first. He wants to know what are the best foods that can naturally boost your